Hello all, welcome to session 44 of Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate different arithmetic operators in Python. So let's get started. In Python, we have different arithmetic operators. Let me show you. So these are the different or several arithmetic operators in Python, starting from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Addition, if you have to perform in Python, we have to use plus symbol, subtraction minus symbol, multiplication asterisk symbol, division slash symbol, and modulus percentile symbol. And there are other types of arithmetic operators also. But as part of Selenium Python training series, if you learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, that will be enough, guys. Now let me practically show you how to use these operators. That is arithmetic operators. So for that, I will open PyCharm. In this Python file, I will be creating two variables. First variable is a. A is equal to 10, I will say, and I will create another variable. For that, I will be assigning the value 5, integer value 5. Now, I'll demonstrate the first operator, that is first arithmetic operator, that is addition, that is using the plus symbol. So if I use the print statement, here I will say a plus b. Okay, print of a plus b. So here I am using the addition operator for performing the addition operation, right? I'm using the plus symbol for performing the addition operation. So here the value that is there in A is 10 and the value that is there in the B is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So in the output 15 will be printed. For this statement, 15 will be printed in the output. Similarly, if I say print A minus B, okay, what will be printed? Here the value of B will be subtracted, that is removed from the, deducted from the value of A, that is 10 minus 5. 5 will be printed, guys. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. Now multiplication, print of A asterisk B. Here A multiplied by B. 10 into 5 is 50. So you'll get the output as 50. Okay, this print statement will be printing 50 in the output. Now the fourth operator, fourth arithmetic operator, that is division. If you say A divided by B. Okay, so here 5 is dividing this 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay, how many times 5 is able to divide 10? 2 times. So 2 will be printed in the output. And the last one is a modulus operator. If I say print A percentile B, then it will give you the remainder, guys. Okay, after the B divides A, what is the remainder that you get? That is the result of this percentile. So 5 to the 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So 0 is the remainder. So here 0 will be the output. So let me run this, right click, run. You'll get the output. First one is 15, second one is 5, third one is 50, fourth one is 2, and fifth one is 0 as expected. Right here we can improvise these print statements by writing the addition of A and B is like this. Okay, the addition of A and B is, put a comma here, guys, that will be enough. Okay, now here I'll say the subtraction, of A and B is, again put a comma here, that will be enough. The multiplication of A and B is, again put a comma as separation, it will be enough. The division of, okay, the division of A and B is, again put a comma, A divided by B. Now here also the modulus of A and B is, again put a comma here as separation, that will be enough. Now let's run this code, right click, run. The addition of A and B is 15. The subtraction of A and B is 5. The multiplication of A and B is 50. The division of A and B is 2. The modulus of A and B is 0. Okay, we got the perfect results. So hope guys you understood how to use the arithmetic operators in Python in a practical way. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.